What is good, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Jay. I have another quick and easy recipe for you all to enjoy. We will be making some lemon pepper salmon, okay? Nice and easy, pan seared. You can also make it in the air fryer or the oven if you choose to do so. Let's not waste time and get into it. To begin, I have 3 pieces of salmon here. This is skinless. You can do skin on if you choose to do so. I'm just gonna drizzle a little bit of oil and massaging on in as we always do, just like so. I feel like I haven't made a salmon recipe in ages, and you guys know how I love my salmon. So once you have this oiled up, we're gonna season it up. This is the seasoning that we're gonna be working with. It will be listed on the screen and in the description box as well. So we're just gonna coat these bad boys up in that delicious seasoning right there. I prefer to use my own little seasoning blends in general. When making recipes, I try to stay away from them all-purpose seasoning blends. I feel like you can really tune in those flavors, you know what I'm saying, to exactly how you want it when you kind of make your own seasoning blend from scratch. And it's really not that hard. Once you get a kind of like a hang for it, it's really easy to put together. We're gonna give that a flip. We're gonna do the same thing to the other side, get it well coated up in this goodness right here. Just making sure I get any spots that I missed with that seasoning. You can kind of get some on the side of your salmon as well. Just like that. And we are ready to get these bad boys cooking. So I have my pan here to about a medium. I'm just gonna drop in about 2 tablespoons of some unsalted butter. I always use unsalted butter, guys. The reason being is that you always wanna not have too much salt in your dish, because you can always add salt later. The only time I use salted butter pretty much is when I'm cooking steak. That is the only time. Other than that, this is what I'm using. And I think I mentioned my heat is to about a medium to a medium high. And I'm just gonna layer my salmon right on in. Beautiful. Beautiful. And you want to kind of let it chill and just do its thing. You don't want to mess with it too much. Let it do its thing. We're going to let it cook on that first side for about 3 to 4 minutes, and then we're going to give it a flip. All right, our fish is pretty much ready to be flipped. It is smelling amazing in here. Oh, wow. Look at that beautiful color that we have on that salmon. Go ahead and give it a flip. Remember, salmon is very, very fragile. You can break it very easily. I'm already breaking a little bit. And we're gonna let that other side cook for that same amount of time. And with that, our salmon is pretty much done and ready to plate up. That is absolutely gorgeous right there. Like I said, salmon tends to want to break on you. Gotta be careful. It's extremely hot as well, but yes, we are looking amazing, guys. We are looking good, smelling good as always, and I cannot wait to dig in. I have me a little side of some sauteed broccoli, as well as just a little bit of white rice. And yeah, let's dig in, guys. This fish right here is perfectly cooked. As you can see, this is very moist on the inside, looks perfectly cooked. Oh, so delicious, guys. Look at this. Cheers. That is so good. Flaky, buttery, well seasoned up. The lemon pepper is not too much. It just had that perfect amount. The seasoning blend that we put on this is just amazing, guys. So good. Let me get some of a little bit of that white rice. And you could serve this with whatever side you want for the most part. It doesn't have to be rice. Could be all vegetables, could be veggies and potatoes, however you want to do it. Options are endless, guys. That is so good, so simple, but so delicious, guys. Very simple, but so delicious. As you've seen, it took no effort to put this together. Very, very easy recipe, but jam-packed with flavor as always. And you definitely gotta give this one a try. You will not regret it. Hope you guys enjoyed watching. I'll see you on the next one. I gotta finish up this plate, so deuces.